Racing just started. We have Magalang break weekly at a start. Empire Princess moving up. I Enjoy. Ikel comes next, rushing up now on the outside is Lady Dancer in the middle portion. Eloquence. Then comes Jaden Dugo. Time away is on the outside. Hello, Erin. Hello. There was his field. Rider Force Art Attack. MD De Jesus left unseated. Then going along for the first turn, we have I Enjoy by about 2 lengths. Ikel is right behind in second, and in third comes Eloquence down on the inside. Magalang. Then next on line is Jaden Dugo. Time away comes next, then followed by Lady Dancer. Empire Princess. Hello, Erin. Hello. While Hey Sutter now racing in less than at the far turn, we have I Enjoy by about a length and a half. And in second is Ikel Eloquence. Then here comes Jaden Dugo. Now moving up to take fourth. Next online, time away. Magalang, Empire Princess. Hello, Erin. Hello. And as they swing for home, the lead now belongs to Ikel by our head. Down on the inside now is entry number 6. I Enjoy. Last 100 meters. We have Ikel by our length and a half. I Enjoy in second. And nearing the finish line, we have Ikel, followed by I Enjoy. Then comes Empire Princess, Jaden Dugo. Time away. Hello, Erin. Hello for your Super 6.
So it was the 7 horse. That's Ikel ang ating unofficial winner for race number 1. Datingan is 761,592. According to Chris Ora, yun ang datingan for